Welcome to the series of data analysis using Excel. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to insert donut chart in Excel. You can find more videos on Excel, SPSS, RStudio, Mathematical Economics, Econometrics, and Statistics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now let's understand the idea of donut chart. Like pie charts, donut charts are used to show the relative size of parts to a whole. So donut chart is a special kind of pie chart in which we show the relative parts or relative sizes of each part. So it helps to compare different categories within a data set. So here I have the hypothetical data of an economy, and this shows the share of each sector in total GDP. So you first select the data, then go to insert. In insert, select all charts. In all charts, go to pie. And in pie, we have the last option called donut chart. So select donut and press OK. So now you can see the donut chart. If you want to add data labels, you can go to plus sign. Select data labels. So go click on right arrow, more options, and then also select category name. And instead of value, select percentage. Close it. So now we have donut chart with percentage share and category name. You can move it out of the donut just by selecting and dragging. And here we have others. So this is the difference between pie chart and donut chart. You can also change the format by selecting the chart and go to chart design. So you have various options here. You can see the options. So that depends on your requirement, at which kind of design you want. So this is how we can insert donut chart in Excel. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.